Do you have a peeling headliner on your car? Here's a fast and cheap way to fix the problem with only €6. To repair a saggy headliner, the best thing to do is to reupholster it, but this requires time, higher costs, and skill if you want to repair it yourself at home. This is because the process involves dismantling the headliner, removing the old material, cleaning the surface and applying a new material, followed by installing the headliner back in place. And yet there is a cheaper and faster option using this headliner repair kit. Here you have 30 clips in the color of the upholstery that you can attach to the headliner. First, place those fixing pins in the places where you want to install the buttons on the headliner. After that, replace those pins with those clips that are screwed in with a Phillips screwdriver and then attach the covers to the clips, and that's it. We have here an Audi A4 from 2008 whose peeled roof has been repaired using those fixing clips. You can find the headliner fixing kit below in the video description. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.